Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn about Solidworks. So what is a Solidworks? How to do sketching, modeling, assembly and much more. Now, what is special about this course? So we are not only going to cover about, basic topics. We are going to learn why some tools are used, when to use, how to use, where to use. Not only that, we are also going to see why some certain kind of issues arise, how to fix them, and what to do so that these issues will not arise in the future. And the best part about this course is unfinished. Yes, you heard it right. It is not fully finished yet. The reason is that I am waiting for your feedbacks and I will make more videos as per your feedbacks. This course will soon contains lectures about surface and weldments. So it's a course that is going to be updated a lot as per your feedback.